Ever felt like your online presence is, well, a bit bland? Like your website looks like something from the 90s, and your social media is a ghost town? You're not alone. In today's hyperconnected world, standing out online isn't just about having a website. It's about creating an experience that's vivid. Vivid Digital is more than just a pretty website. It's about creating immersive experiences. Imagine a website that feels like you're walking through a museum, or a social media campaign that transports you to another world. Telling compelling stories. Your brand has a story. Vivid Digital helps you tell it in a way that resonates with your audience on an emotional level. Building meaningful connections. It's about fostering genuine relationships with your customers, not just transactions. Leveraging cutting-edge technology. Think augmented reality, virtual reality, interactive content, and more. Why Vivid Digital matters. In a world of information overload, attention spans are shorter than ever. Vivid Digital cuts through the noise. It grabs attention, sparks curiosity, and leaves a lasting impression. It builds brand loyalty. When you create unique and memorable experiences, customers are more likely to become loyal advocates. It drives results. Whether it's increased website traffic, higher conversion rates, or improved brand awareness, Vivid Digital delivers tangible outcomes. Examples of Vivid Digital in action. Interactive experiences. Imagine a clothing retailer that lets you virtually try on clothes using augmented reality. Immersive storytelling. A travel company could create a 360-degree virtual tour of a destination, transporting viewers to a far-off land. Experiential marketing campaigns. A tech brand could host a live event with interactive installations and virtual reality experiences. Key elements of Vivid Digital. Strong visuals, high-quality images, videos, and graphics are essential. Compelling storytelling. Craft narratives that are engaging, authentic, and emotionally resonant. Interactive elements. Incorporate features that allow users to interact with your content, such as quizzes, polls, and games. User experience, UX, design. Ensure your website and other digital platforms are easy to navigate and visually appealing. Data-driven approach. Track your progress, analyze results, and make data-informed decisions to optimize your campaigns. How to achieve Vivid Digital. Define your brand story. What makes your brand unique? What are your values? Know your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests and preferences? Choose the right tools. Explore the latest technologies and platforms that can help you bring your vision to life. Collaborate with experts. Partner with creative agencies, designers, and developers who specialize in Vivid Digital. Continuously iterate and improve. Regularly analyze your results and make adjustments to your strategy based on your findings. The future of Vivid Digital. The possibilities for Vivid Digital are endless. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and immersive experiences. The metaverse. Imagine a fully immersive brand experience within a virtual world. AI-powered personalization, customized experiences tailored to each individual user. The rise of experiential commerce, a future where shopping is less about transactions and more about immersive experiences. Ready to make your online presence more vivid? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.